Ride to the Trinity. It's about, say, about 55 degrees outside. The hobby is something you just gotta get on and try, man. This thing is, it's so fun, man. It's free. You just get out here, you just ride, you just enjoy yourself, man. It's just a good vibe and a feeling, man. See, that's a cool thing. Like, we can just hop off into these trails. We can just hop off into these trails down here too. We'll get pulled up.
It that shows you get them. Welcome to your Walmart.
Yes, sir. How you doing, man? You don't need one. You don't need one for these.
Operate that on the public roadway, you do.
It's an electric scooter.
Right. You're about to get a ticket for it today. You got your ID? Huh?
What is the ticket for?
Operating that on the public roadway. Is it a motorized vehicle? It should be on the public roadway.
Because there's no bike. How am I supposed to get where I'm supposed to go? I got to go around the loop and then get back. Right, bike lane continues in the street up here.
Right.
So I have to, I have to take this street. I do this all the time. Yeah, because I've been doing it.
Well, it would be nice for me to let me make that decision.
No, that's fine, you know. But I'm just saying, I pass police all the time, and I've never had an issue. So you know, they wave and say hi to me all the time.
Does that mean it's legal? Let me explain something to you. It has wheels.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. It has a battery.
Right. Go ahead.
And it has an electric motor.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Now, if you're going to be on a public roadway,
right,
and it's a motorized vehicle, right, you're required to have it registered and licensed. Okay.
Well, you can't register an electric scooter.
Okay. Just like a golf cart.
Electric scooter, a golf cart can get a license plate. Right. You can't do that on this.
Okay. So then that means that you're not allowed to be.
Well, I've already asked, and it's classified as a bicycle. It's in the same lane as an e-bike. It's the same.
It is not classified as a bicycle. Okay.
I've already asked this question.
Does not have an electric motor.
E-bikes are allowed to be on the street. This is classified as an e-bike.
Right. But this is not an e-bike.
It's in the same classification.
You tell me how you pedal this thing.
It's in the same classification. If you look it up on the.
You explain to me how you pedal this.
I can Google it right now and ask if electric scooter is illegal on the streets in Texas, and I guarantee you to say no.
Let's do this. You said that this is classified like a bicycle. You tell me how you pedal this.
It's a scooter. They're two totally different things, but they're in the same classification. I'm guaranteeing you this. You can look it up right now and Google it. Electric scooter is not illegal to ride.
Google it. Tell me. Again, you're just trying to find a reason.
I'm not trying to find a reason. I've just been doing this for a while, and I've never had an issue just riding, you know?
Just because you've been doing it doesn't mean that it's legal. Show me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you're saying, so here's the funny part.
Yeah.
Here's what I find interesting, okay?
Yeah.
You continue to tell me that you know that it's the law, but now you're saying you don't know.
But you're only allowing me to ride on a sidewalk. But I know it's not illegal to ride on the road. I know that for sure.
Right.
What does that say right here?
Yeah? No, you're Googling it. Show me the law.
You just saw it. Look.
Google isn't the law.
It says no electric scooters are not illegal to ride in Texas.
Right. So show me where the law says that. That's not good. That's not the law. Show me the statute that shows that you're allowed to operate that on
Texas can view relevant Texas law regarding electric scooters and transportation code section 55.1.
So go to that code.
Okay. That is the code right here.
Yeah, pull it up. Read the code. What does it say?
Sidewalks and roadways are available for use by scooters.
Transportation code is up there. See where it's sectioned in red?
But what does it say? Sidewalks and roadways are available for use by scooters.
But you're just reading a paragraph, sir. Read.
But that tells you what it is right there.
But no, you're Googling something.
You just told me to Google it.
No, I said look up the law.
Illegal to ride.
Google it. Tell me. I didn't say Google.
But this is the law.
Okay, show me the statute where it says that.
It is
where it says statute so-and-so and it reads Texas.
That was it right there. Statute 5551 code section.
Pull that statute up. Yes.
But it's
I'll give you a chance to find the code. Okay?
All right. Can you find the code where it says they're illegal? Go ahead. Read the Texas Transportation Code, Transportation 551.352, operation on roadways and sidewalk west law. Find law codes that reflect the most recent. Yes. Laws and case codes right here. Never had an issue, man. I ride right here all the time, come right there and I cross. And this is the same thing because this is a posted 35-mile-an-hour road and I come down here all the time, cross right there to the bike lane and I ride straight up there to the college.
So what to say about sidewalks?
You're trying to say that I have to, but this is the law is saying that I can. On a 35 or mile per hour less roadway, which you saw me on.
I'm not going to write you a ticket today. I'm about to get a ticket for it today. But I'm telling you, you are required to use it on the sidewalk. I will promise you that thing will not outrun any car out here. Okay? All right. Well, how fast does it go? How fast does it go? Come on, you ride it. How fast does it go?
It gets up,
so
man.
How fast does it go?
It's faster than most cars, I'll tell you that.
I can assure you that it's not faster than
Look it up. Just look up the name. I'll let you look it up.
Unless that thing does over 160 miles.
I'll let you look it up.
I would be willing
but
to
who's going 160 on the street?
Sorry, people drive all kinds of crazy.
I've never seen that on the street.
I stopped a kid the other day out here doing 80 out here.
But if it's telling me I made it, it means it's not legal.
Right, but if there's a sidewalk available, you're going to use the sidewalk.
Municipal may prohibit operation on the sidewalk. So it tells me to not get on the sidewalk if I can.
Ours does it. Okay.
This is from Tarrant County. So.
Oh, yeah. I know some of these words.
Hey, you be safe, man. Thank you. When I try to show him the law, he's gonna sit there and try to tell me like, oh, well, you can't have that on the roadway. It's a motorized vehicle. Well, I'm showing you the law, and it's completely legal for me to use it on the roadway. So, I mean, I don't get what you're saying. He's trying to argue with me, saying that I'm trying to argue with him, going back and forward. At the end of the day, you guys seen, oh, I'm not going to give you a ticket. Well, because you can't. You can't give me a ticket because it's legal. Just like right here, there's no sidewalk for me to ride on. So in order for me to get to my destination, I have to take the street. And the thing is, a lot of these sidewalks and bike lanes are full of trash, gravel, stuff that'll blow your tires out. And I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing. And I'm going to ride around until I make it home, man. So I appreciate you guys stopping by if you're watching this video. But yeah. Crazy interaction with the police, man. He prefer me to ride on the sidewalk. That's fine that you prefer me to ride on the sidewalk, but that's not the law for me to ride on the sidewalk. And then stuff like this, like, you know, people will tell you, oh, ride in the bike lane, ride in the bike lane. Okay, what if someone opens their door right now and they don't see me? Then what? Now I'm gonna damage their car. I'm probably gonna get impaled by a door. You know, that's extremely dangerous. So when they're telling me to do that, fuck no. I will ride over here where it's much safer. It gives you time to react, like this black truck up here. If he decides to just open his door or take off right now, look where he's at. That's my ass. I'm gonna get hit. I'm gonna get knocked off. Like, why would I stay in that lane? Like, when you're riding these things, this is a high-powered scooter. You can't, like, I'm just sorry, but I'm not gonna sit there and just ride in danger. You know, I'm not gonna put myself in danger. Straight up. Like, I don't care what you tell me. I'm gonna ride where I feel comfortable and I feel safe. I can ride this bike lane all day. That doesn't make it safer. I'm still on the streets. What difference does it make? You know what I'm saying? Like, that car could turn right here, but I'm in the bike lane. That makes me safe all of a sudden? No, it doesn't. Welcome to the channel, a late night ride. I plan out group rides throughout the week for my PV community of W Hyper Scooters. And I usually proof ride routes before I bring everybody else on them. So I got two of my guys coming to join with me, just getting set up, getting ready to park. So I'm probably gonna have the camera on my chest a little bit. Got the Wolf King GTR out here tonight. We're gonna take our route all the way from Grand Prairie, Texas, I believe. We're gonna go all the way to Dallas, Texas, and try to find out this route, see if it's cool. If it's nice, I'll set up another ride for the weekend. But yeah, I got my balaclava on, whatever you want to call them, chest mount, windbreaker, some windbreaker style pants. I got elbow sleeves, knee sleeves, and we're ready to ride out, man. We made it out here. We all the way in Dallas.
I see.
That's crazy. Look at that shit, man. This is a smooth ass trail too.
It is, bro. It's smooth as hell.
They supposed to be making this one all the way to Fort Worth.
It's so smooth.
By the Trinity. GTR, man. Got it rated out today. Yes, sir. Ready? We'll race. Ready? We'll race.